Most people use the new ChatGPT image generation wrong. I'll show you my exact prompt system that turns bad AI pics into cash makers. And it only takes extra 30 seconds to implement. From ads to landing pages or photos, it works for any type of image you might need. Let's get to it. All right, so let's compare just two inputs here with the image generation. So we're gonna click create image, ChatGPT for O. We're going to add I just took a photo of this glasses I have, like blue light glasses. So I'm going to say generate a Facebook ad image to sell these blue light glasses. Okay. All right. I'm going to send that. I'm allowed to generate it. And so the other thing we're going to do a little bit different here. One of the biggest things is that you want to give it as much detail as possible as far as the composition of the actual photo that you want to generate, and pretty much as many details as you can give it. So I actually built a little agent in Claude called ImageCraft. And what it does is actually helps you create this very detailed prompt to give it to whatever LLM that you can use to create images. Could be ChatGPT. So let's say I want to kind of do the same thing here. I'm going to put that image, which is some blue light glasses, and then I'm gonna say I'm gonna give you guys this prompt so you guys can have it in this little agent so you could use it. I need to generate a Facebook ad image to sell these blue light glasses. And so let's see what it's going to come up. I'll help you create a detailed prompt. Looking at the images, see this, blah, blah, blah. Give me technology, text visible. Okay, great. Now we're going to craft a precise text image prompt, and you have the prompt in here, very clear. And it's going to ask you if you can add any specific stuff, change the background, adjust photography, and blah, blah. So you can give it as much info as you want, but what I like doing is I like to use my percent perfect and probe little 3-step structure that I do for prompting. And so we're going to do percented the information that we want, and then we're going to perfect it, and we're going to ask to give me 5 different text to image prompts. Then rate them all and give me the best one. Okay, so I like asking it to give me multiple and then just rate itself and give me the best out at the end. And then we're going to do one more little prompt to make it even better. Okay, let's see, it's going to make 5 of them from 4 text science visualization. And you can give it as much info as you want as you can. I mean, if you're going to do an ad for this, then you want to give it who's the audience and what you're actually selling, what it does, blah, blah, blah. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, best prompt recommendation, prompt number 5, minimalist premium product, the strongest option because X. And then I like to ask it always, is the best we can do? Is this the best prompt 5 we can do? Can it be even better? Make it 10 out of 10. Then typically what it does is going to be, yeah, you're right. We can make it even better. Boom. And then you can check it out and read it. And then what I like doing is you can copy and then use it as is, but you can just go through it and see if you need any changes done. But you'll see it's a very comprehensive one. I'm going to copy the whole thing. Well, I'm going to paste it here. Generate image. Whoops. Hold up. Let me copy this. Oh, okay. By the way, look at this. This is the ad that I came up with. This is pretty much the same photo. Now I'm going to copy this. Copy. There you go. You see it's very detailed prompt, very specific. And then you can change it to your liking as well. But now let's just do it like this for now and see what happens. But it's very important to actually have a very detailed prompt on what you need, what you want. Okay. And this is just one way of doing it. So this is me giving it that example of that photo. Okay. You don't have to give it that photo. You're going to give it multiple photos if you have any other specifics and you want to utilize the style of or any other ad template or structure that you want to use. And you can just upload multiple of them upload a logo as well, pretty much anything. I'm going to give it as much examples as possible. This also applies to using the right prompting structure information. So if you want to look at that video that I have into how to prompt AI the correct way, then check it out so you can actually use it for image generation as well. But for now, we're going to leave it generated image. And so that you can utilize this little AI that I built in Claude. So you have all that information. If you see here, it actually has the knowledge of text to image prompts and what to do and what not to do. So this will give it to you guys and put in the description down below. And you can utilize it and create better images and better prompts. Boom, Vision Shield Pro, digital protection technology. Bam. Right? So it's kind of better than this. All right, this is very limited input that's given. This is a very specific input that was given, and that's how you get this stylized image. So you see the kind of quality that you give out, and it's very important, the quality of the input to get a quality output, okay? From nothing, pretty much, all right? And this is, actually did not give it the photo, quite interesting. And then it came out with this, which is very similar. So you can even try it again and then see generate image, put the same stuff, and then give it that photo. So it actually utilized this, but it kind of came up with something very similar to what I took photos of. I guess this was my glasses that I use. I guess it's very average glasses, right? Let's give it a few minutes. All right, so now I generated the image, and yeah, they look pretty much exactly like the ones I have, right? So just like that. All right, and you can generate it multiple times, and you'll see you have slight variations of it, right? So on the other one, you'll see it looks very similar, but this doesn't look very good. So that's why you see the quality of the input is very important to get the best stuff out. All right, thank you guys. Wait, the exact AI agent that I use is in the description below. I put all my agents and resources in there for you as well. But it won't stay free forever. These systems have allowed me to free up 80% of my time and focus on the right stuff to grow and help others grow. Now you can use them too. I'm giving it all away for you to succeed today. Also, just do me a quick favor and tap the red button below for me so you don't miss the next video. And I guarantee it's gonna be fire. See you soon.